come true.
I do hope you stay, you subscribe, and you become a part of Life with Munch. If you're returning, thank you so much for your dedication, time, and your effort. In today's video, I'm bringing you guys another vlog. So if you're interested, just carry on watching, and I hope you enjoy the video. Hello, good morning. I have heard the people, a couple of people have told me that they really enjoy my vlogs, so I will definitely be vlogging as often as I can. Today is Monday and I want to go to Pick and Pay to buy my monthly groceries. I purchase my monthly groceries at Pick and Pay, and then I top up at ShopRite, and then I buy my meat at Meat Express. And what I really like about Meat Express is the fact that they've got more stuff, because initially, like wings, I would buy them at Roots because Meat Express didn't have wings, just wings, but I found them on Saturday. Yeah, I found them on Saturday, which I'm really happy about. And sometimes they even have bacon. Like, they take their stuff serious. That's where I buy my eggs. I buy 60 eggs there for 95 rand. So here we've got all my t-shirts and like long sleeve t-shirts and some sweaters that I don't want to hang. We've got black and then red, orange, nude, brown, blue, green, gray, and then white. And then this side, all the things I've hanged: black, pink, white, and then like blue, jean jacket, gray. And then here there's just like a couple of things that are like miscellaneous. They're like dresses. This is a dress, this is a dress, that's a dress, that's a t-shirt dress, that's a dress. I just decided to keep them here in the corner. So that's everything I've packed today. That is all the stuff I've packed today. I know my mirror is dirty. This is where my phone was sitting all this time, on this thing, like over there. Go bath now. After bathing, I'm gonna clean my fridge and then pack away the vegetables and then cook. I'll see you guys later or on another day. Hi guys, good morning. Hope you guys are good. Today is the next day after yesterday and I've got a lot of errands to run, literally a lot. Clean bedroom and bathroom, buy vegetables and fruits. I already bought some vegetables. I just need to buy everything else, like cabbage, cauliflower, broccoli, spinach, green beans, cucumber, those kind of things, and some fruits. And then I need to go to Pick and Pay to do my monthly groceries. I need to go to ROSEBANK to exchange earphones, pop in at Miniso / Yoyoso. I need to go to DISCHEM. I'm gonna go to DISCHEM in ROSEBANK because it's much bigger and has better things than the two DISCHEMs that are closest to me. See you guys a bit later. Thank you. Hi, good morning. Today's a new day. I just thought I'd pop in, show you guys my face before I start vlogging, and just to also say that yesterday I could not I didn't manage to complete all my tasks, so I will tackle that today. Plus I am feeling very like on top of the world, on my A game, so I'm definitely going to ride this wave for as long as I can. Productivity, that's what we're doing. This side, that's what's happening. I'll catch you guys a bit later. Okay, I'm listening to music, that's why I have these on, but obviously now the music has stopped because I vlog with my phone and I'm listening to music on my phone. Okay. Hey guys, so earlier I left my house to go sort something out for a couple of minutes, and when I was outside I could feel that like let me fix myself and look cute for the people. When I was outside I could tell that I wasn't feeling okay, but I was like, you know what, just sort this one thing out since you're outside already. So I sorted that out and then I came back, and then as I was preparing to leave for Pick n Pay, my bags are even here, my shopper bags, I was just like, nah girl, nah, don't go, you know, because I was feeling like a bit under the weather. And because I stay in town, I just really prefer leaving the house when I am alert, when I am one with myself. I don't like leaving the house when I'm not feeling okay, because you need to be alert, all your senses and your mind, and you know, especially because it's not really compulsory for me to leave the house. It's fine, but tomorrow all of this needs to be gone. I don't care what needs to happen, but it needs to be gone because I need to get the ball rolling. I'm just really grateful that I managed to do a lot of things this morning, especially planning, and yeah. So what I am gonna do now is wash my fruits and vegetables. I like to wash them before I pack them, because pesticides and dirt and you know, I just feel much better when I wash them before. I will wash them again before I use them, but like, this is me before storing them. I'm gonna wash that, pack everything in the fridge, but I will chat to you guys tomorrow fresh and early when we go to Pick n Pay. And then after Pick n Pay, we're gonna go to ROSEBANK because we are bosses and we're going to accomplish everything we need to. Okay, bye. Oh, so good. I'm drinking the water with a straw because there's lemon, and lemon is acidic, so it's not good for your teeth. Anyway, good morning, hope you guys are good. It's a new day today. Today's Thursday. I woke up bright and early this morning, just before 6 actually, so I've managed to get a few things done, and I'm feeling like myself, so I'm happy about that. Like, I really feel like myself, you know. So I'm definitely gonna complete all the tasks that I've been meaning to do for the past 2 days, but it's not much. I mean, I've bought Like, it's just, I just need to go to Pick and Pay and go to Rosebank. And that's it. Those are the two things that I have outstanding. I'll catch you guys a bit later. I have ditched the oats because like I still have a long way to go, and I mean, look, there's still so much in here. I don't know what I was thinking. Anyway, I want to enjoy the raspberry, pear, blueberry yogurt mixture. I know it looks a bit messy, but it is so good. The raspberry stands out in this little mixture. Definitely try it. Definitely. Even the mushier the raspberry, like the riper it is, the sweeter it becomes. So yum yum. Hey guys, I'm all done. I'm about to leave to go to Pick and Pay. I'm gonna come back, drop off my groceries, and then head to Rosebank. Just got back from Pick and Pay, and I'm actually so tired now, but I'm gonna go to Rosebank. My lipstick is a bit messy because obviously I was wearing a mask. sweetie.
Uh-huh.
Okay, let's stop it. Okay, so we're done now. We got everything that we wanted. We're gonna go home. So I'll see you guys when I get home. And yeah, you guys must follow Denga on Instagram. I'll put up a handle and her page so you can see how pretty it is. Hey guys, good morning. Yesterday when I got back to Rosebank, when I got back from Rosebank, I was so tired. I was so tired. And normally when I, like in the evenings, I edit a bit and then I watch a couple of YouTube videos or Netflix or whatever. Yesterday, editing, nothing. Watching YouTube, nothing. I just literally got back, washed my face, warmed up my food, brushed my teeth, got in bed and slept. So I couldn't close off the vlog. So this is me closing off the vlog and saying, if you've made it this far, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it and found it entertaining. If you did, please like this video, comment down below, please share this video on your social media platform. I would love my channel to reach a larger audience and I need your help in doing so. Also, let me know if this video was too long. I feel like it was, but I mean, it's a vlog, so I think there's an exception. Let me know how long you would like my vlogs to be. Comment down below. So option is around 10 minutes, 15, 20 or 25 minutes. Okay, because I really want to give you guys what you want. You understand? And most importantly, subscribe. Stay tuning into the channel. See you next time. Bye.